Drug companies and distributors are paying billions of dollars for their roles in deepening the opioid crisis across the country. And now Maine is giving that money to those who can help the people who are suffering. Good evening, I'm Chris Costa. Zach Blanchard is off tonight. Maine is getting about $235 million from those lawsuit settlements over a course of about 18 years. Half of that money is going to the Maine Recovery Council, which will decide how to best spend the money in Maine. The council will soon start choosing applicants who have asked for a piece of the first round of funds. News Center Maine's Sam Olson joins us now with how the council is going to select those applicants. Sam?
Hi, Chris. The Maine Recovery Council recently received more than 200 applications from organizations that want funding, all for projects meant to help fill the gap in Maine's opioid treatment and recovery options.
We do recognize the need, and we know that people are dying. There are people who are not getting the treatment they need.
And the need is evident. State data shows last year, 607 Mainers died of confirmed or suspected overdoses. The Maine Recovery Council is now deciding how best to spend millions to prevent more deaths.
But the reality is, this is a healthcare issue, and it's costly.
The council has $10 million to spend in this round of funding.
And as much as
Council Chair Pat Kimball says they've received more than 200 applications, all requesting some of that money.
There's only so much funds to go around, and that seems a little silly when you're talking about $10 million.
But Kimball says they will not be able to fund all of the initiatives looking for funding this round.
There's a lot of those projects that are worth funding, but we can't fund them all. And so we have to do our best at looking what we think is the best investment.
Kimball says for this round, the council is focusing on projects involving opioid treatment, recovery, and harm reduction. She says the council will start scoring applications based on how well they line up with those goals.
Kimball says applicants who get chosen will have to submit a more in-depth application and then go through another round of review. Applicants who are not chosen for this round of funding will have another chance in the future. Chris?
Big topic, Sam. Thank you for reporting on it.